I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right file and app. Pick a short MP4, it loads faster and uses less battery. Once chosen, install a simple app like Wallpaper Engine on PC or Video Live Wallpaper on Android so the system can set video backgrounds. Make sure your device is charged above 30% and close other apps to avoid stutters. Now open the Wallpaper app and grant any permissions it asks for. This lets the app access your storage to load the video. You import the video and tweak playback so it looks right. Tap Import or the plus icon, pick the MP4, then trim to the most visually pleasing segment. Shorter loops save CPU. Once done, mute audio so notifications aren't drowned out, and enable loop if you want continuous motion. Next, set scaling to fill or fit depending on your screen. Choose resolution nearest your display to avoid blurring. Finally, test playback briefly. If it stutters, lower resolution or reduce frame rate. You finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying behavior. Tap Apply or Set Wallpaper and decide whether it goes on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Once set, watch for battery or performance impact. If you see lag, reduce playback to 30 frames per second or lower the resolution to save resources. If the video refuses to set, restart the device, clear the Wallpaper app cache, and try again. That usually resolves permission or caching issues. You're done. Enjoy the dynamic background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.